Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate the professional dashboard on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Instagram. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Now let's go to Instagram.com. We can use a shortcut on the bookmarks that will take us directly to the account, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now, for me to now locate the professional dashboard, I would have to locate this on the left hand side navigation menu. Let's now scroll or go to the bottom where we see dashboard. Click on this, and this will allow us to manage all the ads, look at the insights. I want to, let's just say, look at the insights and then account. This will then tell us account insights, views, interactions, profile, activity, followers, and whatnot. We can also change this to last 90 days from 30, depending on the current selection. We can also go to content, go to, let's just say, content posted for the last 2 years. And this is everything that we have posted to the account. We can switch from the posts, reels, stories, and everything else that was posted. Ad tools. We can start to manage adverts, create adverts, billing and payments. That's all for another video. Let's now go back to profile, Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.